8 divided by 2 bracket 2 plus 2. So here 8 divided by 2 times 2 plus 2 4. So 8 divided by 2 4 is 8, which is 1. This is the wrong value for this expression. So what will be the correct value? So write the question once again. So 8 divided by 2, 2 plus 2. So here we use PEMDAS rule, where P stands for parenthesis. PEMDAS. So here first priority is parenthesis. So we'll first do the parenthesis part. Then exponent, then multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Here you have to remember multiplication, division both have equal priorities, therefore go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction. So 8 divided by 2 times 2 plus 2 4. Then here, as you know, division, multiplication both have equal priorities, therefore go from left to right. First we'll solve this one. So 2 4 is 8. 4 times 4, which is 16. So this is the correct value for this expression.